you have charts. So this is going to be the most important. Um, so we're definitely going to go into this. We'll go into what these lines mean. We'll go into what these bars mean. So definitely, we're not going to go into that right now because there's going to be a video just on charting. And so just kind of get, you can get familiar with it. You could definitely type in anything you want. So again, SPY, there's like different lines. So definitely go into that. And then there's some tools, there's videos, there's some shared news, there's kind of all the news that's happening today. There's an education tab. So if you wanted to continue your education, if you wanted to read more videos, so all of this is free. You could definitely find videos on YouTube and everything. It's just I'm trying to make it very simple for you and in all in one location, so you don't really have to go anywhere else. So that's why I made this course. And then just help, there's support, there's contact us. So that's pretty much the whole layout of Thinkorswim. I know it's a lot, but once you just play around with it, the main thing that I pay attention to is the monitor tab, the trade tab, sometimes market watch, and charts is the biggest things that I look at. You could keep news here, and then you could keep your watch list here. So again, you tailor it to however you like it and however it's easy for you. And then again, you got messages here, you got support, you could do chat rooms if you wanted to chat with other traders. So there's a good layout, and then when you do it on your platform on the web or the mobile, it's a little bit simpler. You won't see all of these tools, but you'll be able to see maybe a monitor, trade, charts. So some just basic stuff. So especially if you're on the go, you could definitely do it on your phone and web. But if you wanted to sit down and kind of do some deep analysis for maybe a month or 2 months or a year out, the desktop version would be the best. So hopefully this helped, and we will see you on the next video.